Hey, in this Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you the best 1080p sequence settings that I have found when setting up a sequence in Premiere Pro. So to begin with, if we go up to File at the top, then New, then Sequence, and here you will see a load of different sequences. To start off our base settings, if we expand the Array folder, and you will see the different options here. Click the sequence presets depending on the frame rate of your country. In America, you would use Array 1080p 30, and in the UK, you would use Array 1080p 25. But this will depend where you live. Then if we click the settings up at the top, make sure editing mode says Array Cinema, then time base is your frame rate dependent on your country's frames per second. Frame size is making sure that the video is 1080p and that the final video will be 16:9. Then make sure all the other settings are as followed below. Now click OK at the bottom right. We now have our 1080p sequence set up for editing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.